I want to share one of the biggest misconceptions in the Excel registration, which is this. If I don't work in the consulting environment, I cannot demonstrate, design, or develop. Many applicants working in the construction, site supervision, or even operation and maintenance believe they cannot satisfy outcome 2. But that is not true. Today, I'm going to explain what outcome 2 actually means and how engineers, technologists, or technicians in construction or in government or operations can still demonstrate the design or develop competence. Now, let's look at what outcome 2 states. Design or develop a solution to an engineering. Note something important. It doesn't say producing drawings in a consulting office. It says design or develop a solution. Designing in engineering simply means creating a technical solution that satisfies constraints. Those constraints could include safety, cost, material, construction method, environmental factors, and time constraints. Design is therefore decision-making based on engineering knowledge. And this happens in many environments beyond the consulting office. In a professional engineering practice, design is not only about producing drawings. Design is the process of developing a technical solution. This process usually includes understanding the problem, identifying the constraints, evaluating possible solutions, selecting the most appropriate solution, justifying that decision technically. If you have applied engineering judgment to determine how something should be built, improved, modified, or solved, you are already practicing in design. The key question Excel is asking, did you contribute to the development of an engineering solution? Let us take an example of an engineer, technologist, or technician working in a construction environment. Many site engineers believe that they cannot demonstrate design. But let's look at this situation. Suppose you are constructing a reinforced concrete structure and you discover that the soil condition on site differs from what the geotechnical report states. You may need to review the foundational design, consult the geotechnical data, propose an alternative footing dimension, evaluate a construction feasibility, or recommend changes to the engineer. That is design development. Let's look at another example. During a construction, you might evaluate formwork system, temporary work, alternative reinforcement arrangement, or construction sequencing. These decisions often requires engineering calculations or technical evaluation, or both. That is also design contribution. Now let's look at an engineer working as a project engineers consistently participate in technical decision making. For example, you might need to evaluate alternative pipe routes, different material for infrastructure, different construction method, or pipe sizing or operational requirements, modification due to budget constraints. When you analyze those technical options and recommend the best engineering solution to the engineer, you are already contributing to an engineering design. Design is not just in the consulting environment just doing drawings. Design is engineering judgment applied to solve a problem. Engineers working in the municipal or government often supervise consultants. Some candidates believe that because a consultant produced a design, they cannot learn outcome too. However, that is also incorrect. Government engineers are expected to review engineering design, evaluate alternatives, recommend design modification, assess technical feasibility, approve an engineering solution. When you critically analyze a design and make technical recommendation, you are already contributing to your design development. Now, Excel is not asking whether you produce every drawing yourself. They want to see that you understand the engineering problem, evaluated possible solutions, applied engineering knowledge, justified your technical decision. In other words, they want evidence of your engineering judgment in developing a solution. So if you are working in the construction or operation, do not assume you cannot demonstrate outcome too. Instead, ask yourself, did I contribute to solving a technical engineering problem? Did I evaluate options? Did I recommend a technical solution? Did I apply engineering knowledge to justify that solution? If the answer is yes, then you likely have a design or develop experience. The key is learning how to articulate that experience properly in your Excel report. If you want more guidance on how to properly demonstrate the Excel outcome in your report, follow us at Bridge the Gap Engineer, where we break down the registration process step by step. Remember, design is not limited to a consulting environment. Design happens everywhere engineers solve problems. Bridge the Gap Engineer, helping engineers move from experience to professional recognition.